Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mobeen Malik, role ID 191003, and I am currently studying Mechatronics in Air University Islamabad. As an assignment, I'm going to show you how to convert BCD input to its respective decimal output as shown on a 7-segment display, and all this will be done using logic gates. And to solve digital problems like these, a logic has to be devised. In this case, the logic is shown using a truth table. Now I will give you a brief explanation of how this BCD to 7-segment decoder works. As we know that BCD numbers are in the form of 4 bits, which means that 0000 means 0, and 0001 means 1, 0010 means 2, so on up to 1001, which is 9. This means that if I have to show 0 on this 7-segment display, the LCDs that would have to be on would be A, B, C, D, E, and F. This G would have to be off, and as you can see in the outputs, I have turned on all the LCDs except for G. Likewise, if we have to display the number 8, all the LCDs would have to be on, and here you can see in front of 8 I have turned all the inputs to 1. For a smaller number, like in which the least amount of LCDs are on, like 1, in 1 the LCDs that would have to be on would be B and C, and here B and C are labeled as 1. After that, we have to derive equations that would help us to solve the circuit using gates on Proteus or in real life too. Now these K-maps are used to derive the equations for 7 LCDs found in a 7-segment display. A separate K-map will be used for every single output, which means that 7 K-maps will have to be made for the same 4-bit inputs as I have made here. These are the 7 outputs, and I have made 7 K-maps for every single one of them. These equations will then help us in proper selection of gates later on Proteus. Like if we see this output E, the gates that are used here are NOT gates, an OR gate, and 2 AND gates. The logic that we have made is shown in this Proteus schematic. The inputs are all of them right here, and they all go into some of the AND gates, which then go into the OR gates, which in turn give out the main outputs, which start from A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. And these are the 4-bit inputs. Now let's test some of its functionalities and see if some of the numbers are shown correctly out here. If I put 3 in BCD form, which is 0, 0, 1, and 1. Now this is 0, this is 0, this is 1, and this is 1. You can see we can show 3 correctly out at the output. Now if we put another number, let's see 8, in which all the LEDs are turned on. And for 8, the number is 1, 0, 0, and 0. And here the 8 is accurately displayed. So this was the BCD to 7-segment decoder, and I hope you have learned something from it. Take care. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.